Hi parents and GP champs, welcome back to GP Learning. In today's lesson, we are going to revisit the different ways to add 1. Before we start, let me remind you how to consider home point and value of bits. We consider the rod in the middle with white dot as our home point. Value of each lower bit or earth bit is 1, upper bit 5. Total 9. On tens place 10 and 50. Total 90. On hundreds place 100 and 500. Total 900. On thousands place 1000 and 5000. Total 9000 and so on. Zoom the abacus this way, pinch your finger and move right to left. When bits are available, we can add 1 easily, like 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 6 plus 1, 7, 15, 10 and 5, 15 plus 11, 10 and 1. But when all lower bits are up on ones place, you cannot add 1 directly. Here we have to apply 5's complements or small friends formula. Add a 5, less 4 to add 1. Let's perform some additions and subtraction applying this formula. 7, 5 and 2, 7 plus 2 minus 5 plus 1. Here we cannot add 1 directly. We have to apply 5's friends or small friends formula. Add 5 less 4. The answer is 5. Let's do another one. Add 14, 10 and 4. 14 plus 20 plus 11. To add 11, we need to add 10 and add 1 on ones place. But it's not possible to add 1 directly. To add 1, we have to add 5 and less 4. Final answer is 40 and 5. Next one, 33. Add 30 on tens place, add 3 on ones place, 33 plus 51. Bits are pretty available to add 51, 50 and 1 minus 20, less 20 plus 31. To add 30, we need to add 3 bits on tens place and add 1 bit on ones place. But it's not possible to add 1 directly. To add 1, we need to add 5 and less 4. Final answer is 50 and 40, 90 and 5. 95. Zoom the abacus. Remember, small friends help us when the next 1 bit is not available. Sometimes even small friend cannot help, especially when we are at 9. 5 and 4, 9. Here we cannot add 1 directly or we cannot apply small friends formula. Therefore, here we will use big friends formula. Add 10, less 9 to add 1. Let's perform some additions and subtractions applying big friends formula. 6, 5 and 1, 6 plus 3 plus 1. Here to add 1, add 10, less 9. Final answer is 10. Next one, 15, 10 and 5. 15 plus 14, 10 and 4. 14 plus 11. To add 11, we need to add 10 on tens place and add 1 on ones place. But it's not possible to add 1 directly and 5's complements is also not applicable. So we have to apply 10's complements or big friends formula. Add 10, less 9. 5 and 4, 9. Final answer is 40. Zoom the abacus. One more example. 54, 50 and 4 plus 15, 10 and 5 plus 21. We can add 20 from tens place, but we cannot add 1 on ones place. To add 1, add 10, less 9, less 5 and less 4 to less 9. Final answer is 50 and 40, 90. So the big friends formula helps when the group of 5 cannot solve it. Sometimes we need to use both small and big friends together. This is called mixed friends formula. When direct, small and big alone do not work easily, mixed friends come to the rescue. Let me give you an example to understand mixed friends formula clearly. Add 25, 20, 5 Then add 14, 10 and 4, 14. Now add 11. To add 11, we can add 10 but we cannot add 1. Here we cannot add 1 directly. We cannot apply small friends formula, that is add a 5 less a 4, and we cannot also apply big friends formula. Add 10 less 9. We can less 9 but we cannot add 10. To add 10, we will apply a different formula. Add 50 less 40. To add 10, now less 9. Final answer is 50. Let's revise the different ways to add 1. We can add 1 directly. We can add 1 applying small friends formula. Add 5 less 4. We can also add 1 applying big friends formula. Add 10 less 9. When we cannot add 1 directly, we cannot apply small or big friends formula. We need to apply mixed friends formula. Add 10. To add 10, add 50 less 40 and less 9. Practice this with single and double digit numbers and you will see how flexible the abacus is. Adding 1 may look small, but it's the foundation for speed in bigger calculation. Keep practicing. And if you found this revision helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more abacus tricks. See you in the next lesson.